Welcome to Plus. In this video, I will show you how to remove pages of a PDF file selectively. It is very easy. Have your PDF file ready. I have got a PDF here. As you can see, there are 5 pages in it. Once you have your PDF file, Google remove PDF pages. You will find many tools online to do that. Pick a tool. I will use I Love PDF. So go to ilovepdf.com and find this page, remove PDF pages. You can also find this page from here. All PDF tools. The page is here, remove pages. So once you are here, select PDF file and click open button. Check pages that you want to remove. Let's remove 4th page and 5th page. And you can see it added those pages here, 4 to 5. And if I click page 2, it changed like this, 2, comma, and then 4 to 5. So once you have selected the pages that you want to remove, press remove pages button. After that, download your PDF. Press save button. And here is the new PDF. And it has got only 3 pages. 4th and 5th page has been removed. So this is how you can remove pages of a PDF file selectively. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.